Hey my loves, welcome to our channel. I am back with another one from Beauty Forever Hair. Alright guys, I'm super excited about getting into this one. I am back with a Beauty Forever Hair 24-inch water wave headband wig, okay? And I know we've been rocking these. I just touched it. And mama feels good. 24 inches of love, sex, and what? Magic. And look at her. Ooh, is she lightweight, y'all? I'm so excited. I hope you guys are good. Let's just throw her on. Let me give you... Ooh. Let's get into the deets of this cap, okay? So this is a headband wig. It has one comb at the top, okay? One comb at the bottom. There are no adjustable straps, but guess what? We're kind of forever still. They have the headband wig, okay? The Velcro piece. All right. And this unit is beautiful. And she's super lightweight, 24 inches. And she looks like she's giving 24 inches fresh from where? Up out the mammy tatin' pack, okay? So let me give you this. And let's throw mother on. All right, my loves, we are back with a banger from Beauty Forever Hair. Now, this is the Glueless Water Wave Headband Wig, and this is a Brazilian texture, okay? That water wave is nothing to mess with. I really, really do love the texture of this hair. It is super soft, and I have her in 24 inches, okay? I'm giving inches for life. Now, this unit is currently going for $180.22, so just under $181, but don't clutch your pearls yet. I will leave a coupon code in the description for you guys to check her out, okay? Now, this unit is relatively big head friendly, but I like it. Like, I really enjoy this hair. I enjoy the wave. I think more than anything, this curl pattern is fire. She is fire. So I'm just going to give you guys a look at the back. And let's just get on into her. Start this off by saying, welcome back, okay? I'm not even a side ponytail girl, but she just seemed like she was the right thing to do. You know what I mean? She is so cute. Like, I'm really into this. Like, I'm really, really into this. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. I love this hair. And part of me was surprised, but I love Beauty Forever hair. This is about the third unit that I've had from them, and they keep providing bangers. Okay, so this unit is not any other one. She's so stunning. I love the wave on this. I didn't want to brush her out too much because I didn't want her to get too big. I want Mother to look sleek, sexy, wet. You understand what I mean? Wet. I wanted her to look that way, okay? I wanted her to look very WAP-y, WAP-esque. Okay? So, I really do like this unit. I'm going to just turn around on it for y'all. I love me a headband wig, y'all. I love the ease of it. It took us no time to get her together. Throw Mother on, lay them edges, and go. And for some of these units, you ain't even got to lay on edges. You need to throw her on and go. Okay? So, I'm really into this. Tell me how you guys have been feeling about headband wigs. This unit, she is a little bit more expensive, but she is also more quality. And if you're looking for something that you can throw around the house, you know, wet, throw up on your head, this is definitely one of them. I am so excited about this unit. I'm gonna keep saying it until I'm there. I'm going to the Dominican Republic very soon, and I am literally excited to take Mother with me. She got to go. We got to make sure she all up in the water. That was me in the water. Listen, if you have not already, bust down, subscribe to this channel. Tell me what you guys are thinking about headband wigs lately. Are you guys vibing with them like we are? And I'll see you beautiful months later.